Welcome back. If you are listening to this episode, it means you already understand some English. Maybe you understand videos, movies, or simple conversations. But when it's time to speak, the words don't come out.
And if this happens to you, we want to tell you something very clearly. Understanding English is not your problem. In fact, understanding means you are already doing many things right.
Many learners feel frustrated because they think, I understand everything, so why can't I speak? This feeling is very common, and it doesn't mean you are blocked forever.
Understanding is a quiet skill. Speaking is an active skill. They are connected, but they are not the same. And moving from one to the other takes time.
When you listen, your brain feels safe. There is no pressure. No one is waiting for you to answer. But when you speak, suddenly there is fear.
Fear of making mistakes. Fear of sounding strange. Fear of stopping in the middle of a sentence.
This fear doesn't mean you don't know English. It means your brain is protecting you. It wants to be sure before it speaks.
So if you feel silent when you want to speak, don't judge yourself. Silence is not failure. Silence is part of the process.
The real question is not, why can't I speak? The real question is, what step am I missing between understanding and speaking?
The missing step for many learners is something very simple, but very important. It is safe speaking.
Safe speaking means speaking when there is no pressure, no correction, and no judgment. Speaking when you don't need to be perfect.
Many people try to speak only when they feel ready. But the truth is, you never feel ready before you start.
Speaking confidence is not something you wait for. It's something you build by speaking a little, even when you feel unsure.
This can be speaking alone. Saying sentences out loud. Talking to yourself. Repeating simple ideas.
It can also be very small things. One sentence, one word, one short answer.
You don't need big conversations. You need small, safe moments where your voice gets used to the language.
When you speak in a safe way, your brain slowly learns that speaking is not dangerous.
And little by little, the fear becomes smaller.
Understanding gives you knowledge. Safe speaking gives you confidence.
And confidence is the bridge between understanding and speaking.
If you take one thing from this episode, let it be this. You don't need to push yourself hard to speak better.
You need patience, repetition, and kindness toward yourself.
Start small. Speak when it feels safe, even if it's not perfect.
Your voice will come. Not all at once, but step by step.
Understanding brought you this far.
Now gentle speaking will take you further. We'll continue this road together. See you in the next episode of Your Road to Fluency.